Please welcome to the stage, Frank Furter.
Hello everyone, I'm happy to be here. Ma'am, it's not polite to look at my wiener. Okay, but seriously, folks. Why can't a hot dog get pregnant? Too many condiments. Why do all hot dogs look the same? Because they're inbred. Man, I'm on a roll. I recently bought a snake and he's a really picky eater. He only eats hot dogs and burgers. My anaconda don't want none unless you got buns, hun. Why doesn't everybody eat hot dogs? Because they can't find the zipper.